Stay with us, this gets deeper. Did you know that long before modern medicine, African women were performing complex surgeries and developing advanced herbal remedies? For centuries, their contributions to science have been overlooked, their names erased from textbooks, their achievements attributed to others. But today, we're reclaiming their stories. We're shining a light on the extraordinary African women who defied expectations, broke barriers, and left an indelible mark on the world of science. This is the story of Africa's forgotten female scientists. From the ancient kingdoms of Egypt and Nubia to the modern laboratories of today, African women have always been at the forefront of scientific discovery. Their knowledge spanned a vast range of fields, from medicine and astronomy to agriculture and engineering. But their contributions were often marginalized or ignored, overshadowed by the dominant narrative of male achievement. Let's begin at the beginning. Ancient Egypt, a cradle of civilization, was also a hub of scientific innovation. While the names of male physicians and scholars are often celebrated, the contributions of women remain largely obscured. However, archaeological evidence and ancient texts hint at their significant roles in medicine, particularly in gynecology and obstetrics. Women were skilled healers, midwives, and pharmacists, possessing a deep understanding of the human body and the healing properties of plants. In other parts of Africa, women's scientific knowledge was closely intertwined with their roles in agriculture and food production. They developed sophisticated farming techniques, cultivated new crops, and preserved seeds, ensuring the survival and prosperity of their communities. Their understanding of botany, ecology, and soil science was essential for sustainable agriculture. But here's what they never wanted you to know. But the impact of colonialism and the transatlantic slave trade had a devastating effect on African societies, disrupting traditional knowledge systems and further marginalizing women. European colonizers often dismissed African scientific knowledge as primitive or superstitious, replacing it with their own systems. Despite these challenges, African women continued to pursue scientific knowledge and make significant contributions to their communities. In the post-colonial era, as African nations gained independence, women played a crucial role in rebuilding their societies and advancing scientific research. They became doctors, engineers, teachers, and researchers, determined to use their knowledge to improve the lives of their people. One example is Professor Grace Oludunni Taylor, a Nigerian biochemist who made groundbreaking contributions to the understanding and treatment of sickle cell anemia. Her research has had a profound stay with us. This gets deeper. Impact on the lives of millions of people affected by this genetic disorder. Another remarkable scientist is Professor Tebelo Nyakong, a South African chemist who is renowned for her work in photodynamic therapy, a treatment for cancer that uses light-sensitive drugs to destroy tumor cells. Professor Nyakong's research has opened up new possibilities for cancer treatment and has earned her international recognition. These are just two examples of the many African women who have made invaluable contributions to science. Their stories are a testament to their resilience, their intelligence, and their unwavering commitment to knowledge. But their achievements are often overlooked, their names absent from textbooks and scientific journals. It's time to change that. It's time to recognize and celebrate the contributions of African women scientists. By telling their stories, we can inspire future generations of women to pursue their dreams in science and technology. We can also challenge the stereotypes and biases that have historically marginalized women in STEM fields. The challenges remain significant. Access to education, funding, and mentorship opportunities are still limited for many African women scientists. But these challenges can be overcome through collective action and a commitment to equity and inclusion. Let us work together to create a world where all women, regardless of their race or background, have the opportunity to reach their full potential in science. Let us celebrate the legacy of Africa's forgotten female scientists and inspire a new generation of innovators to change the world. These women's stories are not just about the past, they are about the future. They are a reminder that science knows no gender, no race, and no boundaries. It is a universal pursuit that belongs to all of humanity. By amplifying the voices of African women scientists, we can create a more inclusive and equitable scientific community and unlock the full potential of human knowledge. Let us not forget their names, their contributions, and their legacy. Let us celebrate their brilliance and inspire a new generation of African women to pursue their passion for science. Let us ensure that their stories are never forgotten again. The future of science depends on it. From the ancient healers to the modern innovators, their contributions have shaped our world in profound ways. It's time to recognize their brilliance, celebrate their achievements, and ensure that their legacy lives on for generations to come. Subscribe to Punai Afrik for more African history and wealth wisdom. Follow for more untold African stories.